How you all doing? What we're going up to in this video? Well, we're not doing this, not right now anyway. I'm going to be doing the 1988 Honda CBR1000F, and I'm going to be totally rebuilding the engine in less than 10 minutes. So let's get on with it. Right then, so the first thing we're going to do is fill this little hole here with this. We'll stick that in there. Goes all the way through to the other side, and in that hole at the back. And we have this plate to hold the bearing in place. Okay, so next it is this, and that. Oops, and I almost forgot that as well. So first thing we're going to do is get the chains on to the main crank. So next we'll be fitting the gearbox. So what we're going to do next is put the oil pump in there. Right then, let's get some new expensive parts fitted to this top end. that's any good or not, but that is one of the worst ones. This is one of the better ones. Just slight pitting. Top looks very good. Shaft don't look so worn. Okay, so hopefully they're all the good parts, and they're all the not so good parts. Put the new steel on, and same at the other end. And I think for the cams, that's it. Okay then, so it's cam time. As you know, there's 2 cams, but before we jump the gun again and go too far, we've got to fit this, the cam chain tensioner.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Back onto the timing mark. Perfectly splendid. I don't get it at all. Why is it not working? So there you go, hope you enjoyed the video. I must say this video makes that project look really easy, but it wasn't. It was a bloody nightmare. But anyway, on that note,
I'll see you in another life, brother.
see you on the next one.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell